Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, Becca will be sharing 3 easy and cute nail designs that are perfect for summer.
Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. For the first design, we'll be making some waves, so start off with a base coat and 1 coat of sheer polish. When the base is dry, use a neon blue to do a French tip. You can do this freehand with a nail art brush like I'm doing here, or you can use any other trick for French manicures that works best for you. Next, keep using the same blue to make a curved line at the right side of your nail. It should connect to the blue at the tip to look like a wave. When you're happy with the shape of the wave, take your nail art brush and dab some white polish on the top of the wave for foam. Dabbing it like this will give it a bit of nice texture. When you're happy with the design, seal it in with a top coat. Next up, we have some neon palm fronds. For this one, once again, start with a base coat to protect your natural nails and then 2 coats of a neon pink. When the base is dry, use a neon blue to make some palm fronds. Make 1 long line for the center branch and then make alternating thin leaves coming off it on either side. You could also use green for the leaves to make it look more natural, but I thought that the pink and blue together had a bright, summery feel to it. When you're happy with the design, seal it in with a top coat. The last design is inspired by Rocket Pop Popsicles. They were always so refreshing in the summer. So to make these on your nails, again, start off with a base coat and then 2 coats of neon pink polish. When the pink is dry, use the brush from a bottle of white polish to make strokes down either side of your nail, starting about 2/3 of the way up. You want the tops of the strokes to be curved, and if you need to, you can clean up the edges with a nail art brush. When the white is dry, do the same thing with a neon blue polish, this time starting about 1/3 of the way up the nail. Finally, apply a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Which of these 3 bright, summery designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.